Kawaii. Hey everybody, Naya Neo here today, and today we are back with another Kawaii unboxing. So I hope you guys really like this, and I absolutely adore opening these, so please let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more of these openings. So I forgot which month this is. I'm pretty sure this is March's box, because it's been a minute since I've recorded. I've had a lot of crap to do and just all kinds of stuff. But as you can see, this box is not in the best condition and all that, but here we go. So as you can see, here's the normal little stuff that you get in every day. It says Blippo Kawaii your life, and here is a get a free Kawaii gift with the code Kawaii. Just pop that over to the side. I'm not going to open this on camera because it shows you all the stuff you get inside. So it's Sakura season. Then there's all the featured pictures on the back, which I will make it onto there one day. And I'm sorry if I'm not talking like exuberantly, but I'm tired. And I've already opened this box. I recorded it and I had already opened it, but the footage got deleted. So I apologize for that. And as you can see, I tested out the pen I got in here, but I still wanted to show you guys what I got in anyway. So right here, you can see I got a super kawaii, cute little pill box. And this will go really cute with some of my Fairy K stuff. I've been really hardcore getting into Fairy K and Lolita fashion here recently, and just all things super, super adorable. So you'll be seeing a lot of videos like with that kind of stuff on my channel here recently. Here we have this little bracelet making kit. It's super cute. This is probably one of my favorite things in this box. So like, look how cute and pastel-y, and just that little bear on the bottom is so cute. I'm sorry my video quality isn't the best. I don't know why it's being like this, but it's really gross. It's kind of yellowy. I don't know why, but oh well. As you can see, it's super cute, and the beads are really cute too. So this will be really fun to make. I might get my little cousin to do this with me. She just turned 8 last week. Today was her birthday party and we had a lot of fun. So I might go and see if she wants to do this with me. That would be cute. Here is an adorable little Percy thingy with an ID thing. At first I thought this was Kiki or Lala from Little Twin Stars, but it's actually their mascot, and I feel really stupid for not noticing that. But as you can see, it unzips on the top. Has a little ID thing in the back, and as you can see, my manicure is really nice today. You can't really see it on camera, but it's actually the seafoam green with hollow in it. And Christine, Simply Nailogical, she would be so proud. But this is super cute, and I will be using this quite a bit. Next up is this little pen. I do believe it's pen, and it has this little decoding, whatever you want to call it, little sparkly heart. My camera is just not wanting to pick up today. Wait, let me see if I can. Should I turn down the brightness? Is that better? No, maybe up. I think that's better. But as you can see here, super cute, super sparkly, just really adorable, and it's just pop it open, and it seems to be a really fine point. I love pens like this. It's a 0.5 millimeter. I usually buy a 0.3, but this will be really cute. And as you can see, if we just, it writes really well. The ink flows nicely, but you guys didn't get to see that because my thing doesn't want to focus. But I love pens like this. I totally recommend this for drawing and things. It's really lightweight, and you can just clip it on the things, and it's really cute. And when you're drawing, the ink just flows out and it doesn't get stuck. So yeah, super nice. Next, we have this adorable wooden clip set. It comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little kitty clips, and they're so cute. And you know how people like on Pinterest and stuff put the clip up photos above their bed, and it comes with some string to hang them up? I can tell I'm going to be using these, and this is just so cute and adorable. Next, we have this, Next, we have this grape-looking foamy candy by Crazy. Really cute and adorable. You can tell it's just really, really freaking cute. And I usually love grape candy, so let's give this a try. okay, as soon as you open the bag, like as soon as you peel it, you can smell the grape. Oh my gosh, I just had so much birthday cake though. So this is what it looks like. And what you do, you just take a ball part and just peel off. Oh, that's more gummy than what I thought it was then. This actually tastes pretty good. It tastes like the fizzy little soda candy things that you get. It's like little mini pop cans and it comes with the candy inside. That's what this tastes like, and it's actually really good. I like it a lot. Next we have this adorable little cat, Sakura little stickers. They're really, really cute and they look really good quality as well. So I don't know if I can get my camera to like actually focus him, but you can see they're really pretty. They have some really nice gold stuff on it. Now this is what I had trouble with, because when I opened this after I'd recorded the first time, it showed that this lipstick eraser was supposed to be included. Well, mine did not come with one for some reason. So I messaged the seller and she told me she would send me one, and she did, and this is really cute. It took a while to get here, but she was super nice about it, super supportive, and she contacted me within a day or so and tried to get back with me the best she could. And I don't really know how to word it, but she sent me this as fast as she could to make up for the accident mistake. And as you guys know, the last box, and one of the last boxes, I got a heart-shaped jewelry box, and mine had broken right on camera. Like, it was already broken. And she sent me a replacement one for that, and I was so happy. So props to their support system. So I don't really have nothing to test this eraser on, but as you can see, it's really cute. When you twist it, it puts it out more, and then you just pull it right back in. Really cute. I like that a lot. It's really cute. Now, this wasn't in the box at first. This came in the box, but I had it on display because we had already recorded this. But I got this pink Sakura kitty dumpling kitty. Super cute. It's got embroidered little hearts, and then it's got nice embroidery on the eyes. And this is so soft. It's so cute and so soft. And it's got a little tag over here. I'm not sure if this is official license, but it is so cute, plush, and soft. And it's got little bean bags down in the bottom. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's got little bean bags in the bottom to help it stand up. But it's just so soft. Perfect. And as you can see by the size, it's pretty small. Well, it's not like tiny, but it's small. It's really cute, and I love it a lot. Last but not least is this. Let me take back everything I said. I mistook this for a sketchbook. It's not. I thought it was at first. I thought last time I had looked at the pamphlet, it said this was a sketchbook, but it is indeed not marketed as a sketchbook. It says Sakura Neko Notebook. These cute traditionally bound notebooks are perfectly sized for journaling and decorated with a cute cat enjoying the Sakura season. Which, I could see that for being for journaling or just small note-taking. That's adorable, and I absolutely enjoy it, and I love it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what I should do next. Should I open more of these? Should I do some art stuff? Or what should I do? Just let me know. I'm here for you guys. Let me know. So, with that being said, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram down below. I am now accepting commissions for watercolor and digital, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!